In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Protonmail with Gmail. Protonmail includes a built-in tool called Easy Switch that lets you connect your Gmail account directly to your Protonmail workspace. Once it's set up, your older Gmail messages can be imported, new Gmail emails can appear in your Proton inbox, and you can even send or reply using your Gmail address from inside Protonmail. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, sign in to your Protonmail account on the main Protonmail website. After you're in your inbox, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon for settings. Then choose all settings. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Protonmail section. Inside that area, open the option labeled Import via Easy Switch. This is where Proton manages connections to other email providers. Next, find the available provider options and click the Google card. Proton will open a setup screen explaining the connection process. On that screen, click the button that says Connect to Gmail to begin linking the account. A secure Google sign-in window will then appear. Sign in with the Gmail account you want to connect. If your Google account uses two-factor authentication, complete that verification step as well. This is a standard security check, so just follow the prompts until access is approved. After that, Google will show a permissions screen. Proton needs access in order to import your mail and allow the connection to work correctly. Check the option to select all permissions, then scroll down and click Continue. It's important to approve all requested permissions here because if any are left unchecked, the connection may not work properly. Once that's done, you'll be taken back to Protonmail to finish the import setup. Here, choose exactly what you want to bring over. You can select emails, contacts, or calendars depending on your needs. Take a moment to review the summary on screen, and when everything looks right, click Start Import. Proton will begin transferring your historical Gmail data into your Proton account in the background, while applying its encryption protections as the import completes. Finally, it's a good idea to confirm that everything is working. Go back to your main mailbox and click New Message to open the Composer. In the From field at the top, open the drop-down menu and check that your Gmail address appears alongside your Proton address. Select the Gmail address and send a quick test email. If it sends successfully, that confirms your Gmail identity is now active inside Protonmail, letting you manage both inboxes from one place.